Welcome to Curious Minds English.
Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast. I'm Chris.
And I'm Jessica. Today we're talking about something super important but often overlooked. Soil.
That's right, Jessica. In this episode, we're diving into why soil is so special, why it's only found on Earth, and why humans can't create it.
Wow, that sounds fascinating. I've never really thought about soil that much. I mean, it's just dirt, right?
Well, not exactly. Soil is much more than just dirt. It's actually a complex mix of minerals, organic matter, air, and water.
Organic matter? What's that?
It's basically the remains of plants and animals that have decomposed. This organic matter, also known as humus, is what makes soil fertile and able to support plant life.
So you're saying that soil is a living thing?
In a way, yes. It's teeming with life. From tiny bacteria and fungi to earthworms and insects, all these organisms work together to break down organic matter and cycle nutrients, which plants need to grow.
That's amazing. So why don't other planets have soil?
That's a great question, Jessica. You see, soil formation is a very slow and complex process that requires specific conditions.
Like what?
First, you need rocks to break down into smaller particles like sand and clay. This process, called weathering, can take millions of years.
Okay, so other planets have rocks, right?
Yes, but that's not enough. You also need water and a suitable atmosphere to facilitate weathering. And most importantly, you need life.
So it all comes back to life.
Exactly. Plants play a crucial role in soil formation. As they grow, they break down rocks with their roots and add organic matter to the soil when they die.
So no plants, no soil?
Pretty much. And that's why soil is so rare in the universe. It's a product of life. And as far as we know, Earth is the only planet with abundant life.
That makes sense. But I've seen bags of soil at the store. Can't we just make more of it?
Well, those bags of soil are actually just natural soil that has been collected and mixed. We can't really create soil from scratch.
Why not? If we know what's in it, can't we just mix those things together?
It's not that simple. You see, soil is a complex ecosystem with millions of different microorganisms interacting with each other. We don't fully understand how these organisms work together, so we can't replicate it in a lab.
So you mean it's like trying to build a human brain?
That's a good analogy. We know all the parts of the brain, but we don't know how they all work together to create consciousness. Similarly, we know all the ingredients of soil, but we don't know how they all interact to create a living ecosystem.
Wow, that's incredible. So what's the big deal if we can't make soil? Why is it so important?
Well, Jessica, almost all of our food depends on soil. Plants need soil to grow, and we eat plants or animals that eat plants.
So no soil, no food?
Exactly, and that's why soil conservation is so important. We need to protect our soil from erosion and degradation so that we can continue to grow food for future generations.
Okay, I get it. Soil is super important. So today we learned that soil is not just dirt. It's a complex ecosystem that is essential for life on Earth.
Yes, and remember that soil formation is a very slow and complex process that requires specific conditions, including life.
And humans can't create soil from scratch because we don't fully understand how all the different microorganisms in soil interact with each other.
That's right.
Chris, you use some interesting words. Can you explain organic matter again?
Sure, organic matter is anything that comes from something that was once living. In soil, It's mostly decomposed plant and animal material. It's super important because it adds nutrients to the soil and helps it hold water.
Got it. And what does ecosystem mean?
An ecosystem is a community of living things interacting with each other and their environment. A forest is an ecosystem, a lake is an ecosystem, and even a handful of soil is an ecosystem.
That makes sense. Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome, Jessica. I hope you all learned something new about soil today.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more easy English science lessons.
And let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.